Hi, I'm Allison, and I work with people around the world to teach them how to declutter their homes and lives for better living, selling, packing, and moving. And I think a lot of people assume that if they don't know how to do it, that it's going to be really hard and they're never going to master it. And I don't think that that's true, and here's why. This is a picture of my bedroom when I was about 15 years old. And I will tell you, there is only one thing in that room that I can see that I actually liked because I chose and purchased it for myself. Everything else were items that were chosen for me. And you're a kid, so you don't often get that autonomy. But as an adult, you do get to choose what you surround yourself with. And what I've noticed is that when I don't have the choice to surround myself with the things that really make me feel like they're authentically mine, it's hard to care about what the space looks like or if there is clutter around. This is my bedroom taken a couple of days ago, and I'm showing you this because, as you can see, there is a little bit of clutter in here. I'm not asking any of you to be perfect. There are people like that, but I don't think at any point in their life they were ever super messy. I don't see that as people. Maybe I'm wrong. I started off obviously with a lot of clutter, but I learned new systems so that the clutter, when and if it does start to pile up, there's only a small amount that can take me anywhere from 3 to 30 seconds to clear up, and then it's gone. So that's what I'm looking to teach you, is that you don't need to be perfect, but learning these systems can help you feel like you are surrounding yourself with stuff that you do like, with stuff that you need and that you use, and that it's a beautiful environment that makes you feel happy, even if there is a tiny amount of clutter in there. Learning how to declutter and organize helps you lower anxiety levels, increase productivity, saves you time and money, and helps you feel more in control of your life. If you're ready to empower yourself, my course can help you learn new skills that you can use forever in more ways than just organizing your home. And you'll have my support and guidance along the way. Visit the link below and see for yourself.